Ayan, tapos na naman ng weekend. It's already Sunday. Almost 2 a.m. Time check lang. Since madaling araw na tulog ang mga kapitbahay, pati parents ko also sleeping. So, tutulog tayo ng motor later. Paglabas para hindi tayo makabulahaw. And to my parents again, thank you for this weekend. Yung utol ko, yan, gising pa siya pagalis ko. So, if you're watching this, brother, advance happy birthday. Alright, so biyahe tayo today from Imus to Pasig. Probably 40-45 minutes drive. It's a little bit cloudy, so sana di tayo abutin ng ulan. And uwi na tayo kasi I really miss my wife. Ilang oras na kami magkahiwalay. Nahanap niya na ako, so nahanap ko na rin siya. Time to stand this up, let's go. So, konting kwentuhan siguro tayo habang nasa biyahe para hindi tayo nantukin. Okay. Sa mga batang 90s dyan, what are your childhood core memories? Siguro one of those would be playing games. Diba? We grew up playing outside, paghabulan, playing different games. And for some reason, I just realized while playing game is fun, probably may naituro din siya or meron din siyang pwedeng ituro as life lesson. Kasi for example, tagutaguan. You're defending a base and at the same time you need to look for the other players that are hiding, right? So it sends a message na you can never stay within your comfort zone. You need to take risks for you to grow. You need to step up for you to achieve your goal. So same din sa buhay. In actuality, sabi nga dun sa isa kong napanood, growth and comfort does not coexist. Okay. Good night everybody. Signing off.